All right. Let's get into this. Cut and beautiful, guys. Okay. Anyways, hey y'all. Um, welcome to Loving Our Look. You know the deal. You know the spiel. It's moi, Gabby. Before we get down to it, please like, please comment, and also subscribe. We'll put a link down below to subscribe to our channel, Loving Our Look. Let's jump right into this video. So your girl messed up. She made a big old boo-boo and she slept. I slept. She, me, her. Yes, me. I slept in a protein treatment. And I'm thinking it's them little $1.50, $2 packs that you could buy at like your local beauty supply store or like Walmart. It's from Palmer's and it's the protein deep conditioning treatment. Nonetheless, it did say protein on the pack, but your girl still didn't really think it would have done the damage it did. So basically, I took out my U-part wig that I had about, like, this is like going on a month ago this happened to me. So previously to that, I had in a U-part wig before I did this whole shebang treatment thing for about 2.5 weeks. I took it out, wanted to treat my hair, make it look good, and, you know, give it some TLC like we naturals do. And I slept in it and not thinking that it was gonna, I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest. What was I thinking? I don't know. What was he thinking? I don't know what I was thinking, but I slept in it and it weighed my hair down like immensely. Like my hair was like was bad. That's it. That's all I can say. It was bad. So I was just like, fudge. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I got this sample of DP Hue is the brand, and I'll put the name just to make sure. But it's called DP Hue, and it's an apple cider vinegar rinse. And your girl's being bougie, and I could have made it, but I had this in my hair stash, so I'm like, I'm gonna use it. Because after reading what, you know, apple cider vinegar rinse does for your hair, I'm like, I think I might incorporate this into my regimen like once a month or something. So I did the rinse, and it really lifted, and I did it for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna show you, like I said, clips are gonna be going back and forth. But I did it, it said to do for 2 minutes, so I did that on my scalp, and I really scrubbed my scalp, and I really rubbed it in there, and after I rinsed out, my hair just felt, it felt like it was getting back to what my hair usually feels like. So I was like, all right, I'm on the right path. And after that, I just shampooed and I conditioned. You know, like the normal stuff. The line Haas that I used for the shampoo and conditioner actually was really nice. Like the conditioner had really great slip. It was good. I can say that. It was good. I really liked the way my curls felt afterwards. And then after that, I threw in the Manic Panic, you know, to get this blue. Because, you know, when sis took out her U-part wig, I forgot I had the tea on the back of my head. So not only did I have the tea on the back of my head, but I was walking around with heavy way down hair. So I was all jacked up that week when I did my hair, and I was actually really upset at myself because I was almost at the brink of cutting my hair. Like, that's how mad I was at myself. I was about to cut my hair. But no, I really was like, no, I got this. Let me fix it. And y'all probably thinking, Gabby threw in another color, but I literally just threw this blue in, and I just said, I'm done. I'm not doing nothing else to my hair. I think I've come to the point of I'm just gonna grow my hair out, and I think I'm growing my hair out completely. I think I've done like enough cutting, and the maintenance to keep short hair was annoying to me. I'm a very low maintenance, low styling, I rarely go to a hairstylist, only if I really feel like it, type of person. So I'm like, yeah, no, this is not for me. So I just was like, I'm gonna grow my hair back out. So I'm just gonna grow my hair back out again. I'm in that journey. I'm just want to bring my curls back to what they used to be as well. You know, because they're just like, bleh. I don't mind working with my curls, but I just missed the moments of time where I didn't have to really do much to get them to where I wanted them to be. So that's another thing as well. And yeah, that's kind of basically it. So this documentation was done in July, and I've been on this revelation since June. Yeah, since June I've made this a decision. So it's just gonna be a lot of protective styling, low manipulation, finding ways and, you know, regimens to continue my growth, because that's kind of what I'm looking for. So, and as y'all could see, I just really threw, like, you know, the color was nothing. I've done color before, and Manic Panic is a great brand. It's $10 at Sally's. Like, can't go wrong with it. You can do it on your natural hair and give it a tint, or you could mix it with some developer, and it really could be potent and really, you know, grasp onto your hair and really change it. But I just wanted this blue, and I think I'm gonna keep this blue for a while, or just let it fade out. Really don't know. But I just really had to share with y'all the disaster I did to myself. And my hair has been feeling amazing after this. You know, it's been good. Can't complain. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys kind of enjoyed my disaster story. Liked my clips I showed of me kind of try to fix my issue. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, por favor. Give it a thumbs up. Please give me some other tips if you have some about, you know, other great scalp treatments and clarifying treatments for your hair to really lift up the buildup that's in it. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Faja's lock journey. Sis hair is growing and flourishing. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and happiness, and all that jazz.